Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing a digital voice recorder. And before we get started, I got this voice recorder because I do a lot of voice recording, and I wanted to see how this compares to the voice recorder I've been using for a long time. So I've been using this one. It's a Sony for a very long time, and I wanted a spare one just in case this one ever dies, or for whatever reason. It's nice to have a spare one in different parts. So I use voice recorders for voiceovers and for my music. That's right, I actually do use them for music. So let's get unboxing, and if you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. I am an honest well, right now it's actually, the weight difference is definitely, this is definitely heavier. It feels like it could be a metal frame. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. It's a nice style, different style. So we got on off, USB, SD. Oh, that is cool. So you can put an SD card in here. Good. I wanted one with an SD card, but I thought when I bought this that it wasn't an SD card one. But that is awesome that it does. That's good. Good to know. So on, off, record, save, volume, headphones. Oh, you can even use this with the mic. So let's go ahead and turn it on. See if it's charged. I don't know if they have it charged or not, but nothing's happening. Oh no, here's one. Okay, there we go. So it's starting. So let's turn the volume. Because this is nicely, it's great size. It's smaller than the Sony. Thickness is smaller.